Hi there. In this video, we'll be talking about dictionaries. Well, what are dictionaries? Let's get on to that. In the previous lecture, we talked about arrays and what we can do with them. In this lecture, dictionaries. Let's get started. So open up your IDLE and get with me. Let's first create an array. Let's call it favorite sports. Favorite sports is equal to, and then square brackets. Let's say we had a list of people with their favorite sports, and we created an array with them, where a name followed by their favorite sport. Let's quickly create that. Bob, soccer, Jim, football, or let's do it, Jim, basketball, and let's do Rachel, tennis. Great. So now we've created our array which has the people followed by their favorite sport. Now let's say we had an array containing hundreds of people. Then what? How would we get Bob's favorite sport or Jim's favorite sport? It would be tedious and quite hard. Instead, dictionaries were created. Dictionaries are basically composed of a key and its value. By entering the key, you can get the value. So if I had entered Bob, I'd get the value soccer. If I entered Rachel, I'd get the value tennis. Let's create one. So favorite sports is equal to, using the curly braces this time, curly braces, Bob, colon, soccer, comma, Jim, colon, basketball, and Rachel, colon, tennis. Well, I'm sure you must have seen a map, right? And in a map, they have the legend where you have blue is equal to water, green is equal to land. The same way dictionaries are created. The Bob key is equal to soccer. The Jim key is equal to basketball. And the Rachel key is equal to tennis. Let's try printing it out. First, let's print out favorite sports. Print, we get Jim basketball, Bob soccer, Rachel tennis. Awesome. Now, as you might have noticed, we had done it Bob soccer, Jim basketball, Rachel tennis, but it printed out different. Why? Because it prints out alphabetically. Basketball first, then soccer, and then tennis, BST. Now let's say if we wanted to print out Bob's value. How would we do that? We say print favorite sports, and then in the square brackets, we're going to say Bob. Great. Click enter, soccer. Fantastic. This is how it works. This is the whole concept of dictionary. By entering the key, you can get its value. Now let's say Bob's favorite sport changed to, baseball. Then what? How would we do it? To change the values in a dictionary, all we have to do is say favorite sports, and then in brackets, Bob. So basically all we've done is we've taken our dictionary favorite sports, got the key Bob, and the value of that should be equal to baseball. Great. Click enter, and now let's print. Print favorite sports, and then square brackets, Bob. What do we get? Baseball. Awesome. This is the whole functionality of dictionaries. Basically, it'll make our work a lot more easier as we get on through programming. It is keys pointing to values. So you enter the key, you get the value. You enter the key, you get the value. Now you can also change the values in a dictionary by doing as I did above. Just write whatever your name is of your dictionary, and then in square brackets, enter the key equal to the new value. Simple as that. Great. In the next lecture, we'll be talking about tuples and using the turtle module. See you in the next lecture.